Hi, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you my first impression on using Notion. Let's get started. So before we get into the details, me myself is a first time use in using Notion, and today I'm going to show you how to use it. So what is actually Notion? Notion is actually an application that provides components such as notes, database, Kanban board. You can do a lot of things and organize your work by using Notion. So here, as you can see here in the website, it says that it is all in one workspace. By looking at the pricing right here, Notion is completely free for personal use, so we're going to try it later on. And you can also pay $4 per month for those who are in teams or businesses. You can also pay $8, or you can, if you want furthermore, you can go with the enterprise option. I've already created my Notion, and I mean, this is the first time I'm using it, so it have the getting started and how to use Notion. You can actually it tell you how to create a page, writing and editing basic, and started with template and database. Okay, let's go to the quick note. So here I saw the other YouTubers, basically they also have some tutorial on that. And from here we can actually key in our note, anything that in mind. Key in your text, what do you think about it, and you can also make a to-do list inside here as well. Alright, okay, now you can add in your notes, anything that you have, and you can add the cover here and change the design and all the things that you want. And let's go to personal home. So what is this? Oh, we have like your daily movie list or recipe, and what are your yearly goal and travel plans. You can have it here and key in what your list. So it is very good if you do it for your 2022 resolution, for example. Okay, that's interesting. Maybe we can try to see the task list. Remember that I ever showed to you on my previous video, and this is quite similar to Microsoft Planner actually. And here we can also key in what is your list. For example, here is to do. Okay, you can key in your title here and what are the tasks that are needed to complete. And it is much similar to Microsoft Planner. Let's go to the next tab, journal. So journal, we have, can key in your life, document your life, daily happenings, and your reflection. Let's go to the next tab, which is the reading list. So reading list is quite straightforward. We can key in our media here. For example, let's try it's a book. So let's say you can key in your book name, and you can put the status here. Is it ready to start, reading, finish, or listening, watching? And if you have complete the particular media, like me, the book, you can actually put the score, and you can choose what is your rating on that book. And also you can key in the author. So me, say Judy. So that's about it. Quite simple actually on the reading list. And basically you can also add your page as well, and you can customize with everything that you see here. Like you can key in table, board, your list, calendar, gallery, and timeline. Or maybe we can try calendar. Here you can plan your time, and example, like let's say on Monday we can key in the things to do, and you can also add your comment here, blah blah blah, then close, then you can have a look at it again. So basically it is quite straightforward on how to use this. And also we can look at other template. Like here, let's say engineering, here they use roadmap, and they're using the Kanban method, if I'm not mistaken. It's the same as what we call as the Microsoft Planner that we used last time, and you can actually assign the work to the team that is working on that particular project, and you can also move it around like this. Okay, and that's about it. And you can also have your budget also as well inside this app. So basically you can do so many things inside this app in one go. You can do your budgeting like an Excel inside your, it's quite good actually. Let's try human resource. You can actually browse more templates if you are not sure on how to start using Notion, and you can even import your all the things that you need, like your Google Docs, Dropbox, even your Excel or Word format, you can put into it as well. Other than that, I think there's much more about it. This is also my first time on using Notion. I hope you guys can try it out also, just like me, and share if you find this Notion useful. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.